Hi guys. Happy Friday. It's so good to see you guys. But I just wanted to say before we get started with announcements for next week and from this week, guys, I'm super impressed with how well you've been logging on and doing your assignments diligently and faithfully. So awesome job. Epic week achieved for sure. So let's go to some of the announcements that I had to talk to you guys about. Number one, Georgia milestones. I'm sure you guys have had a couple questions about this, but I want to make sure everybody's on the same page. They have been suspended until we hear anything, so suspended. That means we're going to focus on current content in order to prepare for our final, okay? That takes precedence. So this means that we're going to stop with our IXL packet. You don't need to continue it, okay? You do not need to continue doing your packet. No more quick checks. However, some of you are behind with your quick checks, meaning you missed a couple. I'm going to reopen them and also link them to our NTI module, which I'll talk about in a second, okay? I'm going to still do the rewards for those that did complete the IXL packet because it was a lot of work and that was my expectation, so I will reward you for that when we come back, okay? All right, grades. I'm sure a lot of you have had questions about grades, so here are a couple of announcements that I hope answer your questions, okay? Number one, I try to be a little bit lenient this week with regards to updating grades each day and then letting you guys have enough time to complete that assignment because I know that you don't just have math, you have science, social studies, language arts, and your connections potentially that you need to be doing. So I don't want you to be stressed out for that, but I will be updating grades today. So if you feel like you were behind on something, make sure you get that caught up. Next week, I will not be as lenient. I'm going to be grading every day and making sure that everybody has that assignment for that day complete. If not, I will be emailing, contacting parents, okay? Just to keep you guys accountable. All right, NTIs, I did make a module labeled NTIs just so you guys can have easy access. If you have an NTI such as the Milestones Quick Check, it will be linked there. But if you have a worksheet NTI, I'll link them there, but I also need you to send me a screenshot. Make sure I can clearly see your answers in your work, okay? If your parents know how to send me a PDF by scanning it, that would be great too, okay? The reason why we're trying to get these up to date is because we have awards due for honor merit roll by April 6th, meaning I need to get those grades in if you guys want to be on the honor merit roll. So have those NTIs, quick checks, anything you're missing by April 6th, okay? All right, you have a test next week on Friday. We'll talk more about that. It is over expressions and equations. All right, so what you've been doing this week, you'll have a test next week. Unit 8 retakes are up. You have until next Friday. Send me a notification when you complete it so I can update your grades. That notification can be a screenshot, what have you. Just let me know which one you guys completed, meaning did you complete the addition subtraction retake or the multiplication division, all right? There is a release condition. You cannot see your retake until you complete the videos, meaning you have to watch the videos, then the retake will appear, okay? Kind of think of it like you're leveling up a tier in Fortnite, okay? So you are expected to watch the videos and then you're permitted to take the retake. CFA retakes, I've had a lot of questions about the CFA retakes. You guys will have a sort and shuffle on Monday, okay? It is going to be a virtual sort and shuffle. So if you made an 80 or above, you're fine. There is an activity for you, so make sure that you guys complete that activity. If you did not make an 80, make sure that you guys are completing that assignment as well. Again, there is a release condition, meaning you can't see the CFA retake until you complete the assignment. Okay, so from now on, guys, just to let you know, there will be release conditions on all of your assignments, meaning you have to watch whatever video or assignment we put first before completing that classwork grade for that day, if that makes sense. It won't pop up, it'll be blank until you complete the video. Okay, and I know some of you gave me that face when I said we have a test next Friday. It's okay, you'll be fine, I promise. Okay. All right, important announcements for next week. Again, you have a Unit 9 test on expressions and equations next Friday. So guys, I don't know about you, but I would go ahead and pencil that into my agenda, my planner. This is still school, it's virtual, but we're still needing to keep up with things, okay? So make sure you write that down. Official Google Meets times and dates will be announced shortly. I know some of you guys were in our session yesterday and you loved it. I really appreciate that you guys stayed. Some of you stayed for the whole time. You will not need to stay for the whole time. We're going to discuss as a math department how we can better serve you guys with regards to having digital class. Okay, so I'll let you know soon. All right, we will hold a 30-minute session on Monday from 12 to 12:30. In case you miss or in case you did not read the video etiquette, please make sure you read that. Just to kind of walk through what's appropriate, what's not appropriate. I will be posting that virtual class that we record on Monday on eClass in case you weren't able to attend from 12 to 12:30. All right. There is also a walkthrough of the same thing that we talk about. It's just there won't be students asking questions, so it might help you to watch or attend the virtual class, okay? I will be checking eClass from 9 to 4:30, and you should be too, meaning please don't check it after 4:30 because I don't want you guys to start getting so overwhelmed and kind of, you know, overladen with work. So just stop, cut yourselves off at 4:30, and make sure that you're getting enough rest each day, okay? Miss D misses you guys. Guys, you have no idea how much I miss seeing you and talking to you all. So have a wonderful weekend. I look forward to next week's Digital Learning Week, okay? Bye, guys.